Hey everybody, T-Rizz here, and today I'm going to be unboxing the Meta Quest 3 Elite Strap with battery. So I got the Meta Quest earlier this year. I use it a lot, really a lot, watch movies and other multimedia using the augmented reality or pass-through. I really enjoyed that. Don't play too many games, but regardless, it's definitely noticeable that if you use it a lot, the battery on the Quest 3 kind of lasts about 2 hours, so figured it was about time to kind of expand the battery life if I could. So I actually picked this up on eBay, unopened, so I figured I'd create a video for you guys, so here we go. Quest, nice packaging. Okay, here is the Elite strap. Kind of has the Rift adjuster there. USB 3. Paper removable, and that plugs into the Quest, as you can see right there. Here is the cord to plug into the Quest directly, so that way obviously it takes the battery from here, puts it in there. All right, so I'm just gonna put this aside for a second. Oops. We also have some documentation. Okay, there. Insurance, prior use, warnings, all that fun stuff. And let's see, is there anything else? I don't think so. I mean, it's a pretty straightforward product, so let me just check. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it. So again, I really figured I'd make a video, but excited to try this out. I've read really good things. People say it really does help with countering the weight, specifically with the Quest pushing on the front of your head. So here's hoping that yeah, get to walk around a little bit more with my Quest. So I'll keep you all posted. Thanks for watching.